Hi folks, John.Richardson. Going on my 28th year right here at good old Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to take about 5 minutes of your time to tell you about our 281 Freedom Express. That's made by Coachmen. That's an aluminum frame travel trailer with a front fiberglass cap on it. The cap gives you the aerodynamics to give you better gas mileage, pulls easier, holds the coach together better. I invite you to come down to Guaranty. We've been in business now for 52 years, where we have a complete body shop, parts department, RV travel center, RV park, you name it, we got it. I'm going to take a few minutes and tell you about this. You'll notice here that we've got 2 propane tanks. You buy this trailer, we're going to fill up your propane tanks. We're going to give you 2 batteries. You'll notice here that this has a B&L lift system. Now, what that means is that you've got a bunch of switches here to level your travel trailers. Very, very nice feature. The B&L stabilization system. You don't have to be on level ground. The trailer's automatically going to level for you. So what I want to do is show you some of the points of this. We start with a front compartment here for storage. You got plenty of bed. You'll notice up above here we have a freestanding table. You can get to that either from outside on either side or inside in the bedroom. I'll show you that underneath a full walk-around queen bed. Notice we have slam latch doors here. Also, one of the big things about Coachmen is they've been in business forever, 50 plus years, and they are a certified green trailer. We'll go inside, I'll show you. We've got a 48-inch stance here, nitrogen filled tires, gives you a little better stability when you're moving this thing around. Okay, so the big thing here is certified green. You'll notice this is an aluminum cage construction. You come down here, I'll explain what that means. In the meantime, let's go inside and see what this looks like. So in here, very, very light colors, as you can see, being a rear living room. You got the big windows in the back that you can open up. You can park it on a lake. We park ours right next to a drainage ditch, so don't fret about that. 2 nice recliners, very good storage above the recliners. Windows that open up so you can get an airflow through here. Notice the bright colors. You've got the couch that makes up into a bed. You got the booth that makes up into a bed and the big slide out. You have solid surface countertop, and the thing I'd like to point out about this, look how much counter space you got. I mean, literally, it's got more counter space than just about any trailer that I'm aware of. You'll have a glass top cook stove. This is a 3-burner gas stove. You've got a microwave up above it. You've got a hood fan, light, good counter space or good cabinet space up above it. Ducted air conditioning. Notice how bright and light this is. I don't have any lights on in here. The colors are very, very light rather than the real dark wood. You have a table that folds down, makes up into a bed. You also have, look at this, nice big drawers. And if you'll take the time to look here, I can run my hand all over this thing. This is a 5-ply plywood. It's not plastic. It's not aluminum. It's wood. Full extension drawer all the way underneath your booth. We got the TV, and of course you can't go nowhere without a fireplace. So we got a fireplace, get you in the mood. You got mama out going camping. You got the wind, and you got the crickets, and you got the frogs and all that stuff. You're away from town for a few days. Kick the fireplace on after you put the kids to bed, It's a great feeling. Now coming into the bathroom, we have a shower, a sink inside the shower. You have a toilet, of course. We have a nice big cabinet behind the toilet for towels, what have you, with removable shelves should you need it. Coat rack on this side. Take these shelves out if you're into square dancing and you're taking a bunch of clothes with you. You can hang everything up. The nice thing about having the bathroom right here next to the bedroom, maybe you want to sleep in on a Saturday. You've been working all week, you get out camping, you wake up Saturday morning, you wake up a little late and you hear strange noises in the living room. You don't recognize a voice. Somebody has came in from the campsite next door. They're sitting there visiting with your husband. Next thing you know, you can't get to the bathroom because it's at the other end of the coach. This way you can get up out of the bed, come into the bathroom, take your shower, get your face on, come out and look presentable in case there's company out there. In the bedroom, we have a full walk-around queen bed, storage underneath it, which is very nice. It's all separated. You had the front storage from outside. You got the extra spot for boxes for your TV. Look at the fit and finish on this plywood though. I mean, it's just, this is the quality of a Coachmen product. Decent mattress, storage on both sides, little spot in the headboard for books, hearing aids, what have you, reading lamps. If you got any questions, folks, please call that number right there at the bottom. I go by JR. Like I said, I've been here 28 years. I should be able to answer any question you may have. Better yet, give me a holler. Let's set up an appointment, get you out here and get you into a brand spanking new rig, 2018 Coachmen. Thank you so much for your time.